At least fight back, something.
Get up, bro.
Oh, things they happen. I don't know what to talk. I don't know what to say. I did live stream just now when I hear this story. Then my guy look my WhatsApp. He sent that to me. I was so in shock. You know, my today topic was friends. Then my mom is sweeping. She just started to write, say, somebody died from Mexico. They go to, she travel, welcome to Niger Daughter TV channel. First time I'm coming across Niger Daughter. Please subscribe. This channel, we talk about news, we break things out. I bring my own opinion, you drop your own opinion. Yes, let me go straight to the topic. This, our sister, this American girl, she traveled to Mexico with some of her friends. With her friend. Get to Mexico, those her friends, they gang up and kill her. When they ever kill her, they get back to America. They never say anything to her mom. They ever join her mom, they cry. Behold, camera bring the evidence, come outside. Camera, no, no. Then they accept. When they beat the game, I don't know if YouTube will accept it. You know, YouTube, they always restrict a lot of things. I don't know if YouTube will like me to bring that bit out. You know, I don't know. Then they beat the girl to death. They took this girl life.
At least fight back,
American girl, she planned to go vacation with her friend. Get it there. She don't know, say, they don't they jealous her, they don't they heavy run. They don't get things against her when she don't know anything about. Get it, all of the gag of the beat her, some the video. If they're not in support on that fight or they're not gang up against her, why not carry fight? Or they're not the one way the video, not expect say, he go die. But come as a friend, we not be careful. When they call ourselves friend. If person they say friend, they will say, if you say no good friend, what of you? You can't see somebody like you. It's hard for you to see someone like you the way you are. It's hard. Be careful. Once you see red flag in friend, be careful, run. Pick your two shoes for your head and run. Ask me again, I will tell you again. May I say whether I feel read the news? Man, a hairdresser died while on vacation with friends in Mexico, and her parents were told she died of alcohol.
Ella Robinson and her group of friends who went to Cabo to celebrate one of their birthdays.
She told me they had a chef. They was getting ready to eat. They was eating tacos, something, salad or something they was eating. And I said, well, okay, I love you. Have a good night, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. And I never talked to my child again, and she never made it back home.
Robinson's mom, Salamandra, says within 24 hours of her daughter's arrival, she was dead. Figuring out how or why has only added to the family's nightmare. It started with a frantic call from Robinson's friends.
They said she wasn't feeling well. She had alcohol poisoning. They couldn't get a pulse. Each one of the people that was there with her was telling different stories.
It's when the family made calls to the FBI and Mexican authorities that they learned of another potential cause of death.
And the autopsy came back. They said it didn't have anything to do with alcohol. Said that she had been, she had a broken neck and her spine in the back was cracked. She had been beaten.
Salamandra says the entire group came back from Mexico, leaving her daughter's body there. Nearly 2 weeks and $6,000 later, her body is back home. But answers have been hard to come by.
You know, I know that's not going to bring my child.
Spoken with officials at the U.S. State Department in Mexico, who refute the claim that Robinson was murdered, saying the police's initial indication is that there was no clear evidence of foul play. Here in Charlotte, her family refuses to believe their daughter's death was an accident, and they vow to find the truth of what happened that night in Cabo.
No one told the same story, so I never believed them anyway.
Queen City News obtained Robinson's death certificate, which lists the cause of death as severe spinal cord injury and atlas luxation, which is instability in the uppermost vertebrae. In the section where police could have noted any sign of intoxication, it says, person found unconscious on her living room.
And they didn't call us to the very last minute. And then on top of that, they said the maid found them.
The group stayed here at Villa Linda 32, a property listed on CaboVillas.com. A rep with the company says the group called the concierge for help Saturday afternoon. The concierge called a doctor who gave CPR. Robinson died at 3 p.m., an estimated 15 minutes after her injury. We obtained a list of 7 guests who signed into the villa and called the phone numbers they left with the company. Some numbers.
Give life. Why taking life? If you can't give life, don't take someone's life. If you don't like what that person is doing, stay away from that person. For you to take life, you can't give life. Don't take life. And there are many of us when you don't take this word. Please, no friend, red flag. Once you see friend, red flag, pick your race. Don't let anybody to shut the life God have given to you. Let your death come. Don't let someone to give you a timing death. We rebuke a timing death. This is America. I know what they can do. I know that we investigate and catch them. It's not my country, Nigeria. It's only the rich they can investigate. The poor. How could you take a life? How? Una dey lie say na alcohol, na poison. When you know say na kill am, now put the video her. I will put the video if YouTube will take her. They beat this girl. They beat her spinal cord break. Her spinal cord break. Her neck break. 25-year-old girl. What did she do now when I beat her like that? What did she do now? Now no get God. Now no get conscience again. Where una conscience go, my people? Beware of friend. Be very aware of friend. I believe I will leave all the video. I will leave the video if YouTube accepts her. I will put the video. I will put that is the right. I will put her. Let me read some comments. For them to beat that girl like that and tell her to fight is just disgusting. You see? Comments. Now comment I read so. It's just disgusting. Just broke my heart. It broke everybody's heart. This is why I put the phone down for days at a time. Tears. He said there is a story about a 25-year-old girl that went to Mexico with a group of friends, and one of the girl on the trip beat her to death. Was literally neck and could not fight back. 5 other friends were there and did not intervene. People there. People there. Say, okay, I have seen enough. All 6 need to be arrested like now. Yes. One say you have seen. He say all 6 need to be arrested now. Yes, there is need. Oh, I choose to read news, so me will not get mind. I'll gather mind. What to do? What to do? I will leave now with the video. If YouTube accept her, I go put her. If YouTube not accept her, I go remove her. I don't know whether YouTube they will accept it. I don't know because now wow. May her soul rest in peace. My condolences go to the family. I pray she find justice. Yes, I pray the family find justice for her. I go leave you now. I go meet you now in peace in my next video. Okay, please support this Nigeria daughter. Okay, I don't know what to talk. I don't know. She traveled to Mexico with some of her friends for birthday party. Then get it there on her roommate. There be 6 of them when go to Mexico. Her roommate, she beat her. Then the remaining of them will come to rescue her. They just there. They do the video her. Then now, when they get back to America, they will follow the mother, the crisis. They don't know what happened to her. Say they poison her, na alcohol killer. When the investigation autopsy come outside, they can't find, say, na lie, say her neck break, her spinal cord break, all those things can't dig to the investigate more. Finally, they can see a video or photo when they beat her, it leak out. Yes, the video can leak out. My people, if you born your children, always tell them, this word is deep. Oh. Yes, that's why they tell my children. That's why they talk. The word is deep. The word is deep. You just know your mind. You don't know mine. How can the young girls have a bright future, 25 years, travel to a trip? You see, some opportunities not very good. Africa now, best whenever it's belly now you want to travel. Now you want to travel, go trip with friends because of birthday. No, it don't happen for Africa. And I don't want when the seafood eat. It don't happen for America. It don't happen for Africa. Now America, if it happen, so they take the girl life. So heartbroken. So heartbroken. I don't know what to talk. I don't know what to say. I was shocked. If you are a mother, you are parents, please talk to your children. Let God be their friend. Though children must get their time, they must have fun, but let them know a friend. Once their friend give them red flag, they should run. They should run. If they ever apologize, you now this girl won't beat this girl to death. So maybe it don't fair to have something that gets misunderstanding. I'm sorry. Can you get that? I'm sorry. Then she accept. Let's go to America, to Mexico, to flex with our friend. Then she don't already get jealous. She don't already be heavy now. She would plan us, want to kill her. Get it to Mexico. The girl not see her to come back. Now wait till I understand for the news, okay? Please, be very careful. Be very, very careful. I don't know what to talk. I'm just tired. News hard though. News are hard to talk. Oh. Some go say you go break it down. You don't even know what to talk. You're just confused. Thank you all. I'll see you in my next video. Let me leave now. If the video display, maybe now watch. If you not see display, maybe now read the story. Okay? If you can read the story. If you can't read the story, this small short note so I give you so enjoy with it. Okay? I'll see you in my next video.